Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Emily. I'm back from the video. Yes, I have got my show hat on and my judges because I am going riding in about 20 minutes. So guys, this video is going to be a slime video. You have to keep these in the fridge, by the way. I've got 7 different types of slime and yeah. So the first one is, I've got 2 of the same one. Well, I made one, but then I didn't fit in one shot glass. So I've got foam bead slime. So this is really nice slime. It's a bit like crunchy slime, but it's not really. So it feels really nice. And yeah. By the way, guys, you're probably thinking I don't have hair. I do, just in a bun, in a hairnet, because you have to. I'm actually quite scared for today. Well, not scared, but okay, because I've got jumping. I can jump. I am in the experience jumping class. But anyway, enough about that. So I've got foam bead slime. There is one massive foam bead. I don't know why. There's just one giant foam bead ball. Compare like them ones. You can see it. So there you go, guys. That is foam bead slime, which is one of my favourites. Next slime is monster slime, and I'm not named these. These came out of a pack. It's called monster slime because it's got little eyeballs. That was not supposed to happen. It doesn't stick to your hand. Probably thinking it does, but it just comes straight off. You can't see blue on there, but I can mush my hands. So there. Now we'll glow in the dark slime. It won't actually glow in the dark because it has to be next to a light. Turn the light on. Light up slime. I have to get right. While I'm doing that, I'm going to get another slime. This is pink glitter slime. So yeah, I got this out of a pack. I don't know where from. My mum bought it for me, and it is really nice. Next, Jessie, be quiet. Next slime is neon pink slime. Really nice. It's really itchy when I have this out on. Next slime is this scented slime. It smells really nice. So squishy. 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 Keep going under there. So next slime is a mixed slime. It is actually clear slime, but it's got confetti beads in, it's got the foam balls in, and it's also got glitter in, which is really nice. No, don't fall out. No! It's fine. So yeah, guys, that's all of my slimes. So now I'm going to see if this one works. This is a really quick video, but yeah. I don't know if you guys can see him, but it is glowing a bit. Oh, it's not working. It will work though, because it needs to be in the fridge for a few days. So yeah, that's where you store them, in the fridge. So guys, these are all the slimes. Very nice indeed. Feels really nice. I can do this because the things don't stick to your fingers, so you can just go in all of them. None of them actually stick to your hands. They're all nice. That one's one of my favourites. I also like this mixed one, and I like the monster slime as well. So these 3, actually no, I like this one, but that's the same one. I like this one definitely. I think that one might be my favourite. Just so pink, so like mixed and creative. I'll take my hat off for you, even though this is nearly the end, but I will look weird because I have got it. Where's my hairnet? It's popped out. Oh no, it's there. I will look weird because I've got a hairnet on. because you need to keep your hair away when you're jumping all the time. Oh, look ridiculous. I've got to put it back on. So yeah. So if you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what your favourite sport is. So mine's animal horse riding. It is a sport, by the way, guys. You're probably thinking it might not be a sport, but it definitely is. And yeah. So this is my favourite sport, horse riding. That's why I've got it on. And I've got Jodhpurs on. I will have boots that go up to here. Big boots, but yeah. I'm not wearing them in the house now because they'll be a bit muddy. So yeah, guys. Really brave. Ah! No! That could not happen. Big snot. That one's also scented. It's dropped all over the bottom. Good job I didn't hit any of the slimes though. It actually just missed the scented blue slime. I don't want to mix them together, but they are really nice. I think these two together, the pink sparkly and the pink, wouldn't actually look so much different together because they're both the same colour. And then these two together are the same, so these two can mix. It just doesn't fit on, so we have to put it in 2 shot glasses. Oh god, now I have to spread it all up again here. I don't know why I did that, but yeah. There. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that big thumbs up button and subscribe if you are new. And if you want to shout out, all you have to do is like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you know when I'm doing a new video, and comment down below when you're done. Hi, Jessie. Jessie, come here. Come here. I'll get my little dog, Jessie. Jessie, come here. So yeah, guys, I have got 3 pets. I've got 1 hamster and 2 little doggies. I love you. I used to have a horse as well, but I sold her. She was too small. And I've also got little Molly over there, but she didn't like being lifted. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time, and out.